Here's how you fix foundation damage on homes with basements, crawl spaces, and slabs. For basement foundations, if you see bowing walls or cracked basement walls, that means water is pulling right up next to your foundation and pushing in over time. Pretty soon, you can have caved-in walls and major structural issues. But carbon fiber straps, wall anchors, and IntelliBraces can provide support for your walls and stop further damage. Based on the severity of the damage, we will choose the right solution to permanently stabilize your home. Bouncy floors are a classic sign of a struggling crawl space. When moisture rots the wood or columns sink, your floors sink too. But IntelliJacks can stabilize and lift your floors by adjusting the support columns. For slab foundations, cracking and uneven floors means the soil underneath is expanding and contracting. We combat this with slab piers to lift the concrete back up and polyurethane foam injections to fill the gaps and permanently stabilize your home. For pier and beam foundations, IntelliJacks are the real foundation saviors here. Now, sonotubes, those concrete piers, may seem like an easy fix, but don't be fooled. They only hold things steady for a few years before the soil drops more, and then you're back to square one. IntelliJacks provides stabilization between the beams and raises up the structure. But here's the genius part. They're adjustable and can be tweaked over time as needed and match any soil setting. No matter your foundation type, if you see cracks or unevenness, take action.